Well, it was one of the worst tornado outbreaks the South has seen in history. In fact, this was the second tornado outbreak that has plagued the South just in a matter of 2 weeks. Over 150 tornadoes were reported just in the past 24 hours, most of them stretching from Jackson, Mississippi, all the way up to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Now, the place that was hit the hardest was central and northern portions of Alabama. Over 170 people have been killed by these devastating tornadoes, 128 of them in Alabama alone, and of course hundreds injured from these tornadoes. In fact, Alabama has issued a state of emergency. We've seen several pictures and videos posted from these tornadoes, people taking pictures of them, and they at one point were huge. There was a picture of a wedge tornado that the base of which looked like it was anywhere from 1 to 2 miles wide. That one was reported near Birmingham, Alabama. Now, as we take a look at your 22 News Storm Team Cloud and Radar Composite, you can see we are still tracking this line of showers and thunderstorms. I know it doesn't look like much anymore because as it has moved off to the east, it has lost a lot of its energy. So now the thunderstorms not as nasty as they were when they were in the deep south yesterday, but this is the same line of showers and thunderstorms that is going to be moving through western Massachusetts later on today. Now, the reason behind such nasty thunderstorms is because of several things coming together in the atmosphere to just make this work here. This is a La Nina year, which means that the jet stream is dipped well to the south, and you have the warm, moist air moving off the Gulf to the north, and you have the cool air moving in from the north to the south. And when you get these clashing air masses, that's the reason behind these very severe thunderstorms. And of course, there were over 100 tornadoes reported yesterday. Now, as far as the severe risk goes for today, we have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms stretching from northern New York all the way down into northern portions of Florida. There certainly could be a few tornadoes. We saw a few tornado reports in New York State alone this morning. We could also see some damaging winds and large hail. But notice this nudges its way into portions of Vermont, but it really doesn't inch into western Massachusetts. As we continue to track this line of showers and thunderstorms, again, it'll continue to lose its momentum as it crosses into our neck of the woods. We may see some isolated strong thunderstorms today with some small hail and gusty winds, but that's about it. It is not really expected to maintain its severe limits as it crosses into the Pioneer Valley. But of course, we'll keep an eye on it for you and bring you the latest forecast updates right here on WWLP.com.